Hey guys, welcome to Serge Zimaleta. In today's video, I'm in Philly and I just bought a 2005 Sprinter van. This is it right here. It's got every imaginable light on. It's got a nice CD player. Bunch of cracks on the glass. The body is kind of like in a pretty bad shape, but the engine is pretty sound. As far as I was told by the previous owner. He has maintained it like as a fleet because he had a drivers driving on it. So there's a new turbo here, new water pump, new belts, new belt pulleys and stuff like that, and a bunch of other stuff like radiator. And then I see this a harmonic balancer thing, and I wonder if this is now or this before, because there's definitely the balancer portion. It's off, so I don't know if somebody fixed that. Hopefully that's from a previous repair. For some reason I cannot get the hood to open. It's so shut, and I'm pulling out it all the way and it does not come undone, so that is unfortunate. But anyways, I'll give you guys a walk around. Guys, while I'm pumping, I'm going to show you some of the stuff. As you can hear, there is a knocking going on, and it does sound like a harmonic balancer. I'll have to take a closer look because that's not a good look. And this is actually me picking up at mechanic shop. So on this side, it looks pretty good. It's doable. But on this side, pretty good as well. And then we have this here, so there's some damages all over the place. Hey guys, the van is driving good. I fueled it up full tank. It's not in any limp mode. Check it out. It's going 70 miles with ease. It does have a knock. I was able to pop the hood open, and I've taken a look underneath, and I could definitely hear the knock is coming from underneath the cover. It's either underneath the plastic cover, it's underneath like the aluminum cover. That knock could be valves knocking. It could be where the two camshafts lie. One of those things are loose. I forgot what it's called. That's holding the camshaft down. That could be a problem. Somehow they got loose, or it could be valve knock. It could also be fuel injector knock, but I guess I'll find out once I get it home. Hopefully I get it home safely, because anytime I get a vehicle that I don't know nothing about, it's like one of those things you just don't know. But it does drive good. It's very comfortable acceleration and stuff like that. But once I get it home, I will do a little bit more inspections. I will make more videos on this Sprinter. And hit a like for part 2. There it is, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. There's the city. Beautiful day, and we're still doing pretty good. We haven't went that far, so we're still pretty much in the Philly city limits, but I was on the west side of Philly, so. Well guys, we are getting closer to Philadelphia here. I thought I'll give you a first-person perspective where you can actually see where I'm looking and stuff like that. GoPro view. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting for me because the van is going good, so I'm happy about that. There's only so much you could do, I don't have any tools with me. So I don't want to be left at anybody's mercy, you know what I mean? So I guess wish me luck, guys. Hopefully I go home without any issues. And there's the city as we're passing it. closer to the international airport. This is where Philadelphia airport was, so I made it this far. There's a little tunnel. That's where I was initially. I had to drive 28 miles to pick it up. I took an Uber and it cost $43, in case anybody's wondering. I was hoping to avoid the traffic, but here we are. Is it an accident? It's something. It appears to be an accident. And everybody has to take a look at it. So that's why there is a traffic. So slowed me down quite a bit. Whenever I drive, I like to stay highway speeds and hopefully don't stop until I make it there. That is what I'm hoping for. Hey guys, I thought I'll make one update before the last and show you kind of like where I am. Right now, currently it's 1:44 a.m. I've been driving non-stop and I have 159 miles to go out of like 630. I was like west of Philly. Just going home here. I didn't eat nothing since I actually left Charlotte, and I just had lunch before my flight, which was like about like 11 a.m. and I didn't eat nothing, and I actually did not even drink anything. On the plane, they do not give any more snacks or water or Coke. I guess you could ask them, or maybe you could buy some, but they stopped serving and I was on 2 planes. I did buy some kind of fresh roasted turkey sandwich at the Flying J here, and 1 gallon of water. I haven't drank any of it, you know. I guess before I drink it, before I eat, I do want to start up the Sprinter and see if that noise is still there that I was hearing before, because now I put on a lot of miles. So let's start it up. As you could see, the noise is pretty apparent, and I know what you might say, it sounds like a belt hitting something. It's not. I've listened and it's on the engine. I need to do further observation when I'm actually going to be at home, but it also, the noise accelerates as you're driving, so you cannot hardly even tell that it's there at 70 miles an hour. But anyways, I'll let you know when I get home, because once I get home, I've got to buy another plane ticket this same day, and I got to fly out to New York to pick up my other Sprinter van. So it's going to be a long day and not much of a Hey guys, made it home. Thank you for watching this long video, or maybe this is not that long, but please like and subscribe to my channel, and hit a like for part 2. Where I'm going to be picking up my other van, and then of course you know, doing a bunch of videos with these vans. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself, God bless you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Hello guys, welcome to David Zimaleta. Today's video I'm with my buddy Slavik, and I'm in New York City. We're heading to his storage, check out some Sprinter parts.
Yeah, I'm using 3 times the security code on the engine right now, and now again for the elevator, you know, 3 times.
They're trying to keep your stuff safe and secure. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.